Hello class, now that we're a couple weeks into the semester, it looks like most of you are off to a good start, and just wanted to touch base with you and give you a few reminders concerning the class. First, I want to continue to encourage you to watch the videos. Those will be more important as we move this through the semester, and in chapters 3 and 4 the material starts to get a lot harder, so make sure you're watching every video. Second of all, if you're having trouble with anything, working problems or whatever, don't forget to email me or phone me, leave me a voicemail. What I can do is I can make a little video just like I'm making this one and work problems for you that you're having trouble with and send you a link to it and get you the help. So that's kind of like asking questions in class. The third thing I want to remind you of is you have a test coming up. And as such, don't forget about the review assignment out of your textbook. To see that review assignment, look at your announcements. That review assignment is very important. It's basically a practice test. So it's giving you a good idea of what's coming on the actual test. And the last thing I need to tell you is that when you go to take your test, make sure you hit the test tab when you go to my stat lab, and that'll bring your test up. If you only go click on the homework tab, it's not going to show you the test. So some students go, I didn't know about the test because they never clicked on the test tab. So make sure that you do that. If I can help you, let me know.